sugar plums, the quintessential Christmas confection. They have their own fairy, they dance in children's heads, and yet no one I know has ever had a sugar plum or knows what one is. What are sugar plums? Well, that depends on who you ask. To some, the word sugar plum simply means hard candy. To others, they are stewed prunes that are rolled in sugar and then dried on a hearth until they're dry, and then rolled in sugar again. To others, they are this complicated confection that requires dragging out the food processor. You grind up nuts, candied fruits, dried fruits, and you end up with basically like little fruitcake bites. Because everybody loves fruitcake, right? Nobody loves fruitcake. So since there's really no clear definition of a sugar plum, I made up my own. These are Lazy Girl Sugar Plums. And since everything else about Christmas seems to center around children, these are just for the grown-ups. Sorry. Soak a dozen pitted prunes in bourbon for 24 to 48 hours. The longer the better. Strain the prunes and then blot with a paper towel. Using a double boiler, melt 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. Swirl the prunes in the chocolate, then roll in granulated sugar. Then place in a bonbon wrapper. Here they are, Lazy Girl Sugar Plums. I'm gonna try one. The prune almost becomes like a gelée. These are very sweet and very tipsy, if you know what I mean. If you're a teetotaler or you want to make these for the kids, which I don't recommend because they'll be on a sugar high like nobody's business, you can soak the plums in orange juice or apple cider and just make them the same way. Anyway, if you're a lazy girl, maybe you want to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.